Always we can't use the phonic sound. Sometimes we are supposed to do with the visual knowledge. Why? Because what word it is? Little loudly. Said. In between what you are getting? AI, right? What is the sound of AI? It's A. AI makes A, right? Like in the word rain. Yesterday we have seen, right? A. So, A, rain. This is how we are making the word. Can you make the same sound there? Aid. Said. Is it the proper way of pronouncing the word? Means no. Here we are getting said. 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 This is how we are pronouncing, right? So whenever we are getting AI, it will make A sound. Means no. So some words we have to learn visually.